FLAK10 Super Shotgun by Airsoft Innovation. Comes in two configurations, the FLAK10 and the FLAK5. So this one shoots 10 BBs per trigger pull. That one shoots 5 BBs per trigger pull. Fill the gas right here, and it has onboard gas, so the gas is actually stored in the gun.
Okay, and it works only with the green gas or with the CO2?
Green gas or propane.
Or propane, okay.
It has FPS adjustment right there.
Really, really cool.
Pop-up adjustment right there.
Okay.
The back of the gun, you have a pressure gauge, so you can see what PSI and FPS we are. It uses regular AEG magazines, so not gas magazines, just AEG magazines.
Which are really cheap.
Which are very cheap. This is a M4 grip. We got the adjustment tools inside.
Wow.
Allen keys inside.
Smart.
There are different chokes. So this one is a widespread choke. There's also a zero spread choke. So it means it's just for long distance, for outdoor play, I usually increase the FPS with the zero spread choke. For indoor, I use the wide spread choke, and I turn down the FPS. This is one barrel, 10 BBs in one barrel, using our quantum drive technology.
Okay, it's more like a burst.
Yes, like a burst, like a rapid, you get all the BBs come out at once, in a fraction of a second.
It's lightweight.
It's
I
about
thought it would
3 kilograms in weight.
Ah, okay. I thought it was more heavy. I mean, in the picture it looks really, really bulky. And
it's full CNC machined aluminum. You got FDE, gunmetal gray. You have a pink one and a black one.
Yeah, I was looking at the pink one.
And these are all Cerakote.
It's Cerakote.
Also comes in anodized black.
How about the mag release?
So there's no mag release here, you notice. And that's because we have a rip out mag system. So you just pull the mag out, put a new mag in. You can adjust the tension with this over here.
Okay, it's a little bit stiff, but
it's for safety. It's meant to feel really
does it lock the trigger? Or
it locks the trigger.
Okay.
And it's a bullpup design, so magazines at the back.
Okay.
We got a good sized barrel.
And what about the cool down between shots?
No cool down.
At all?
Zero. Because this area, it acts like a heat sink.
Okay.
So when propane, it gives it enough time to basically stay at that pressure.
Well, that's a really good feature.
Yeah.
It's very important.
So
I can expect a really rapid fire.
Yeah, so you can pull the trigger, and the first shot and the last shot are going to be the same power.
Wow. Thank you so much.